Welcome to day 3. Let's start off by touring the main areas of the Moana Hotel. Here again is the entrance to the Moana Hotel. And now we're exiting the hotel to go onto the courtyard, the abandoned courtyard. Let's see what they have out here. Beach bar. Ooh, sounds good already. Restaurant. And we are right on Waikiki Beach. Manuel and I are walking around the second floor mezzanine area at the Moana Hotel, taking a look at their beautiful historic pictures of the hotel and pictures of Waikiki during the early 1900s. I believe the hotel was established in the year 1910. This is a beach bar and beautiful, beautiful banyan trees. Look how huge the trunks are. You can see right out to the beach. There's their swimming pool area. And coming up, the tall hotel right in front of you is the Sheraton Waikiki. Looking at all of this beauty is really getting my appetite going. So let's go take a look and see what we can find for brunch. Let's go. Yummy. Thank you so much, Cheesecake Factory Waikiki. Now on to our afternoon adventure. And here's Captain Jason of Hawaii Glass Bottom Boats to welcome us aboard for the 1-hour tour of Kewalo Basin, Ala Moana, all the surf spots, as well as Diamond Head. And we are in search of whales, dolphins, turtles, fish, and mermaids. Let's go. The Hawaii Glass Bottom Boat Tour cost $39 per person, and parking was really awesome, very convenient, close by, very cost effective, only $1 an hour, so I spent a whopping $2 to park.
Manager, I'm Captain Jason. That's Mike is behind the sign up there today, but Jason and Mike, I'm gonna be your crew today. Anything you guys need, don't be afraid to ask, alright? We're here for you guys. Thank you guys so much for being on time. Time to leave, alright? So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna head out this channel back behind us, gonna hang a left up towards Diamond Head. We're gonna stay just outside the surf break. all the way up there. Stay in nice shallow water, where hopefully we'll be able to see a whole bunch of good stuff down through our glass bottom viewing ports. We'll be nice and close to the coast, get a good view of the shore all the way along there, and then of course we're always looking for wildlife whenever we're out there, okay? We got a couple spots out there that have lots of fish that normally will come right up to the boat with us. We also have a spot about 2/3 of the way up to Diamond Head where turtles normally hang out. So hopefully we find you guys some turtles, a whole bunch of fish out there today. And then we're going to finish off. We're going to take you guys right up to the base of Diamond Head. There's a great place. Get some pictures of you guys with the mountain back behind. It's kind of that quintessential shot from Oahu that you can only get from a boat. Surface. Anything that looks like a floating rock is probably a turtle. We don't have too many floating rocks in Hawaii. But I'll keep my eyes peeled. If I find you guys anything, I'll let you know. Otherwise, I'm going to put some tunes on. I'll talk to you again and get a little closer to Waikiki there.
The smaller fish you're seeing are called Sergeant Major because of their stripes. In Hawaiian, they are called mamo. The larger fish, the darker colored fish, is called humu humu ele ele. These beautiful, larger silver fishes are called nenue. As usual, mahalo nui loa. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.